Hello everyone! Good morning! Good morning America, good evening Philippines. So for today's video, magluluto po tayo ng extra jumbo roast shrimp. So atong butangan o mushroom. Kanina ang paboritong mushroom, pero na po itag-as pang Korean na mushroom. Akong gisubukang live, kaya akong live na buang, nag-gustas po ni akong live. So ato na i-start na yung electric stove. Number 6. Dahil ko na to broccoli. Pero di na ako nahirot, kidagay manis. Daghan ko na yung mushroom niya. Ako rin makaon. Akong mga pagdalang kong lutoon, taga-adlaw, di na ako mahurot. Daot pang sarit. So muna, dili na ako maghiwa. Dili na ako need ang onions, tsaka garlic na hiwa-hiwaon pa. So, kay naanan ko yung powder. So, kanila akong gamiton. Kaya tapulan mo kung mahiwa-hiwa. Kay masay, mahiwa mo ang daliri. Tapos, butang na itong sili para lamit. Tapos, mamasitas at ng itimpla. Ato pong tirawan kung lami na siya. Kaya kundi itong timplahan o mga sa-unsang ingredients ng pagtimpla. Mamasitas ni siya para sa So, kuhan pa. Chop soy pansit canton. Really? Pansit canton. Oo, siguro yung humukod. Tapos, butter atong gamiton. Sige, painit pa na to ang kawali. Akong live, magsigirang isa-isa. Mag-broadcast. So, iwaon na to ang kuan. Init na. Iwaon na to ang number 7. Bago na ko na siya kay medyo iwaon na to ning kuan, butter. Kaya nga itong gamiton. Wow, di ari. Wala pa ni init. Ihura ni pakita si Haring Araw. Ayan. Dayon. Kani akong giluto gahapon extra jumbo. Bawas na ni siya kaya akong magiluto gahapon. Ibutang na ko sa akong budak na halang nga pansit canton. Ngayon, kuan. Gamay na lang ni siya. Pero nagasan sana mo siya kay nag-ice. Nag-ice man siya. Asa na ang? Ay, akong nagigay. Ilipat ko na ako dito. May tubig. Ilagay ko muna dito yung mushroom natin kasi ito talaga yung lagayan ng mushroom. Binalawan ko muna siya. Tapos akong ibalhin diri ang kuan. Puno ni siya pero kung ano akong lagi. So, ayun yung shrimp natin, dagko. So, tapos ang hugasan. So, ice mo dito.
Hey. Yeah.
Oh!
Look at the cancer tumor.
Yuck.
Right, they cut it open. 20 centimeters.
Huh?
20 centimeters.
Her cancer is 27 meters.
Oh, right.
The woman cancer? I don't know. I don't know what about cancer. What, ano siya, anong itsura ng cancer niya. Ipakita ko dito sa video iya. I don't want to see it. It's scary. Hadukano na ba ko ng hiwa o ng ikuan? Iyan. I'm scared to see it. The doctor slice your tummy. Ay, ba't dito ko nilagay? So, ito na ibutang ng shrimp na aking dugasan. So, napa yun siya ikuan. Mga panit, mga kainday. Napa siya panit dry. So, okay ra. So, kanit. So, dili na ko magbutang og. Yan, asa naman to akong kuan. Garlic, at isang kuan, kayo-kayon. Gamay ra ba niya ang kawali? Una gamay ra kung ibutang mushroom o broccoli. Arong templahan o kuan din. Pagbutan ng garlic powder. Ayan o, garlic powder. Butang. Ayan na. Mga hindi na ako mag-slice. Kaya ma-apil slice akong daliri. Pag nag-i-slice ako, masali yung daliri ko. Kaya bumili na ako ng powder. Powder onions, powder garlic. Onion powder. Kaya nahihiwa yung daliri ko kapag nahihiwa ako kasi ako anemic, yung kulang sa dugo. Mabilis akong mahilo. Mabangga nga ako minsan sa bubong o sa kaya sa pinto. Ang dami ko nalagay ng yun. So ngayon halaluin natin siya. Meron din akong king crabs, yung pag-askay kuan, kulamoy. Mamaligya sila diri ang mga market diri, mamaligya sila kanang gilaga ng ladaan gisulod na sa mga plastic katulad na lang ani gilaga ng ladaan para dili ka paapon pag yun mo. Pag gusto kang palit mga buhay na apon, naka-aquarium. Dayon ato na yung ibutang si mushroom. Malambot yung pala. Ibutang na to si mushroom. Kunti lang yun. Gamay rat ang ibutang. Magbutang para bakong broccoli. Maula na siya. Ibutang. Tapos kung naluto-luto na itong lagyan natin ng sili. May sili ako dito. Yung sili natin ang gamit. Ihiwa sa sili. Ang hilig mo ko sa halang akong butangan. Oy! God. Ito lang number 6 ang electric stone. So, atong ibutang apat na buo. Gupitan na nato. Malsik dyan. Takluban sa nato niya kaya maluto ko niya. Ilagay ko rin yung broccoli ngayon. if your tummy always hurting every day, that's cancer. Like Jusa always hurting the tummy. Cancer pa rin. So, ang butang ko. That's it, guys. Mix in water, set aside. Mix. Lagay natin ng broccoli. Uy, nalipin ko pag-higa, diba? So, hindi ko na hugasan tong broccoli kasi malinis naman ito. Malaway tayo. Son, what do you want for breakfast?
Nick is building his dream off-grid log cabin completely by himself.
Cute, kaya kong kawali. May malalim na akong kawali ko, kaso sobrang laki. So, kaya ito lang ako lang makakain, kunti lang lutuin ko. Pag matagal ko lutuin yung mga gulay, masisira kasi agad. Just enough. Okay. Or more. Ayan. I love broccoli and mushroom.
At this stage, everything comes down.
Ito yung mamasikas na ilagay natin ngayon. So, ilagay natin siya sa water box sa bowl na water.
The corner blocks are already done, sitting in place.
Finally, di siya nag-stop. Nag-broadcast
That makes it
still.
possible now to line
So
up
now,
the structure. Slowly working through the mental sections, checking every beat. This is the lifting system that makes the walls possible.
may water na ako dito. Tapos, kailangan dapat yung hot, no?
It's not right here.
Ibat mo na siya ng hot na yung water dito.
Too heavy,
So, hot na natin siya.
too unpredictable to handle that much longer. So, the lifting setup has to be built first.
Ito, konti lang. Yan.
It starts with the main support frame. Simple in shape, but doing all the real work behind the scenes. Its job is to stay solid, while everything else shifts, pulls, and loads against it from different directions. And it has to hold, no movement, no failure. Then, the pull system goes up and higher.
Hindi ko masyado malasa yung broccoli kasi pangit kainin.
Everything changes. Instead of
Malambot masyado.
going straight up with uncontrolled force, the line is redirected. The lift becomes smoother, almost controlled in a point. The lift doesn't just
So, naglagay ako ng water na warm dito sa bowl.
easier to handle.
So, may mangkok. Tapos nilagay ko na mamasitas for chop choy pancit canton.
With the lifting system finally
Stir fry mix.
the focus shifted from testing to actual construction. This
So, ito na ibutan diri sa shrimp with and mushroom broccoli.
beginning the walls of the cabin. The first log was carefully positioned at the base of the foundation, using the lift to guide it into place. Even though it had
Takpan na natin
been
para...
measured in advance,
Oh!
it still required
Puno.
constant adjustment as it settled onto
Haluin ko
the
na.
surface. The next challenge is no longer just about strength. It's about how the whole structure will behave over time. Nothing in this build is treated as fixed. Nothing stays exactly the same. Every log, every joint, every connection is planned with movement. Instead of forcing a perfect tight fit, a small gap is intentionally left between walls. Just about 1 centimeter, 1 notice, not a mistake. It's called underspreading, and it feels wrong at first glance. Loose, open, almost unfinished. But it's
Ito na muna si Mositas, Mama Sitas, para pagkulang ko.
shrink. They settle under their own weight.
Tapos kita natin ito. Mga kulay. Mushroom at
As time passes, the structure doesn't fall apart. It tightens, it holds itself.
haluin natin.
That idea also connects directly to the seamless strategy. Every contact point is
Kailalim lang natin yung broccoli.
Nothing is left over by chance. At the saddle notches, the logs meet tightly here with contact. That's the first layer. You're pressing directly against the whole shape and structure.
Ano kaya akong kakuan? Gulay yung utang. Gamit-lit ka bakit ang kawali.
Then comes the sealing gasket, thin but important. It sits right in between, helping close even the smallest gaps where air or moisture can travel through. Inside the cavity, stone wool is packed in.
Kaya lalo mato ang broccoli ko. Parang naluto ang broccoli.
And above all of them, there's time and weight to do their part. As the structure settles, pressure slowly builds from the roof and on the walls, tightening everything down even further.
Pura may mukhaon ani kay nani may mga kami diri na ay mga sariling pagkain.
This book is the size of
Si
the wall.
Taguro, si Darling, lahi ko dyan pagkaon. Ako po, kaya lahi ni pagkaon.
At least 25 centimeters at the tip. Anything smaller simply doesn't get the cut.
So, dili ako maghagog luto o magunamuna kung sa akong lutoan. Ay, iya pagkaon. Ang gusto kanon. Yang kanon puro ra karni. Ako, okay. Nahuli ko sa buga sa na manaay rice.
And in a place like
Oops.
this, it becomes a real problem.
Ay, bawa.
Once season's cheap,
Eh, magkailangan natin ang broccoli.
the wood itself becomes part of the insulation system. Thicker
Ayan.
walls
So, patap natin yung shrimp.
even if outside turns harsh.
Marami tayo ng
Cover?
hirapan ako sa kalisod kasi punong-puno yung aking maliit na kawali.
Bigger logs naturally create better seam. More material sits at the joints. Deeper notches can be cut. Everything locks together more stability. And over time, the structure tightens even further as it settles.
So, sa Santino, kwaon ni siya ni Monica karong adlaw siguro kay so, kami na po duha mabilin din
It's also
darling.
just more practical during the build. Fewer logs mean fewer lifts, fewer adjustments, and fewer chances for small errors.
Kasi dito na po na siya matulog
Each piece takes
sa
more,
pamangkin ni
but the
Sabi.
overall process becomes more controlled. That's why traditional log building has always leaned this way. Thick timber isn't just stronger; it works better as a system.
So, ayan na. Patap na natin ang shrimp. After nito, tikman natin kung sakto lang ba ang ating timpla para maragdagan natin
Marking another ace.
ng mga sitas.
And
So, ayun, takpan na natin.
smoother than expected. The lift stays.
Ay, huwag ka tumalong.
The structure slowly starts looking more like a real cabin, and less like a pile of logs scattered across the walls. But then, a small mistake shows up. At the very beginning, the largest floor joist had been used as the
Kailangan
reference
natin yung
instead
natin.
of the smallest one. It doesn't sound serious at first, but later it becomes clear that a few default blocks are missing slightly too low against it. Luckily, to fix this thing, a thin metal stretcher will be added beneath the joists to bring everything back into alignment.
Habang nagluluto, linisan natin ang kapaligiran. Ang ating nilulutuan para malinis.
Stacked logs stable
Stick,
and
para stick lane.
as the cabin settles over time. If the rods are drilled at the wrong stage, even a tiny shift can create problems later on. Just a few millimeters, That's all it takes. Because once a heavy log moves, even slightly, the entire geometry changes.
So, maintikpan na natin kasi ayoko masyadong maluto yung broccoli. Oh, looks delicious mga madam.
Because once the log starts standing up, every small decision starts to matter.
So, number 5 lang natin ang kuan. Shit. Na natin.
The critical point is where the top of the door opening lands inside the log. If it ends up sitting right between two logs or leaves only a thin strip of wood above or below, the structure in that area immediately becomes weaker.
Perfect. Masarap na mahanghang. Good job. Good job, Inday. Naka-perfect. Perfect to din, Inday, sa pagluluto. Pero huwag mo masyadong lutuin yung mushroom, Inday, kay parang pagkainin na masyadong lata, Inday. So, hindi na siguro ako maglalagay ng magic syrup kasi masarap na yung timplo sa ano, complete ang rong masita kasi. Tignan natin, Inday. Again, habang naubos ang sabaw. Ano na natin,
But the balcony itself is a different challenge. This part of the build demands short but extremely heavy logs, around 3 meters long and over 50 centimeters in diameter, thick, dense, and hard to control.
Pero parang gusto ko siyang dagdagan ng mga sitas. Iwan natin.
Before anything can be lifted, a temporary support leg is installed. It holds the structure steady during the process
That's it.
and prevents mountains of movement.
So, dito ilagay sa pansit. Pag nanduluto, may tira. Kunti.
Each
Pa natin mga insay.
is distinct
Uy, yung masyadong latain, Inday. Yung latain, Inday. Ang broccoli, Inday.
property support.
Iok na natin ito, Inday. Yung malata, ang broccoli. Iok na ako ang electric stove. Kadili ko naglata akong broccoli kay lain ka ng murag katultang barbar. Pwede kang luto kang kangkong na inyong lata na siya ba? Mura akong baboy gakaon.
At every intersection,
Ano yung hot cook na siya.
so the logs
Total init na yung patungan. So, yan.
not just sitting on top of one
Tapos ako
another,
magluto.
actually transferring load through direct movement.
Cut na natin ito.
That's what gives the structure its roots, stable, control, ready to be moved. A temporary support beam is added to stabilize the structure before the roof begins. At this point, the triangle weighs around 500 kilograms or even more.
Sarap, Jay. Ang
And
sarap.
there's no room for mistakes. Everything has to be controlled.
Yummy.
The lifting system is set up using a trapdoor winch, a tall vertical support line, mounted above the roof line to guide the direction of force. It's not just about pulling the weight up, it's about controlling the movements.
Oh, ayoko malata, Jay. Ang buwan, Jay. Ang mushroom, nakatuwa pa rin dito.
The roof triangles
Gusto
are
natin
lifted
yung
one
ano
by
mushroom.
one and set into
Malambot na
place,
yung mushroom.
marking a major milestone in the roof construction. Each truss is extremely heavy.
Oh, malambot na yung mushroom. Ayoko na siya ipatong dito. Ayoko na siya lumalata. So, ilipat na natin siya.
Guiding slowly into position inch by inch.
Ayan.
One after another, the triangles are installed without injury and without any major failure. The structure starts to take shape overhead, turning from
Oh,
scabs
looks
into
delicious.
a real roof frame.
So, tinikman mo siya. Ang
The
sarap.
ridge now runs across the
Masarap na delicious
guiding everything into
and
a single
spicy.
line. Step by
This is
step,
my
the whole
recipes
structure is
today.
brought to alignment,
So, bye!
gaining strength as each piece is adjusted and locked into position.
Ay,
After 4 weeks of intense work, the main roof covering and waterproof
Bye.
membrane are finally in place over
Thank you
most
so
of the
much.
structure, marking a major milestone. The roof is massive.